to my channel. In today's video, I actually started to do a little bit of a fall decor haul. I'm not usually one to decorate too much for fall, and especially not for Halloween, but something about this little kiddo of mine, she is going Halloween crazy, and it's getting me in the spirit of the holiday season. We have Halloween, Thanksgiving, then the big one, Christmas coming up. So I am just getting so excited. I'm embracing it. She is definitely pumpkin crazy. So I thought that I would share with you some of the goodies that I've picked up along the way. And I hope that you guys get nice and cozy. It is actually a really, really rainy day. So grab that coffee, cozy up, and let's go through this haul. But before we get into this, if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So I would love it if you would click that subscribe button down below. Okay, so all of these items that I've picked up today are either from Winners, Homesense, or Michael's. So I am from Canada, so I think your equivalent if you're from the States, it's like TJ Maxx, I think, Home Goods. So Homesense, Winners, Michael's, if you're in Canada. Let's get into this haul because I have some goodies. I forgot 2 items to show you guys. So the first 2 items are definitely for Ava. So if you've been on TikTok, I'm sure you've seen there's like a hunt for this Mickey Mouse pumpkin cookie jar, or like a Mickey Mouse pumpkin for Halloween, and I can't find it here in Canada. So if you know where they are, please let me know. However, for little Ava, I did find Mickey and Minnie. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So I found these at Homesense in Canada. So it's a little fall harvest farmer Mickey and a little Minnie Mouse harvest Minnie. So they did have Mickey as like Count Dracula, but they didn't have a Minnie that I could find. So I'm gonna go with more of a fall theme over like a full-on Halloween theme. So I did pick these 2 up for Ava, and actually I think they're so super cute. I'm a Disney crazy fanatic as well, so I do not mind having Mickey and Minnie in my house. So these were $24.99 each, a little bit pricey, but they're one of those decorations that I know for years we're gonna be putting up over and over again, and she is so excited. The next item, and I'm just gonna kind of like bounce around from store to store. The next item I got was this cute little pillow. It says Get Cozy in it. These are more of like the colors that we have in our house, kind of like the neutrals, the beiges, the oranges, and the, oh, Ava. These are kind of the colors that I have in my house anyways, the neutrals, the beiges, but I really like this pop of green in here. It kind of gives me, it reminds me of like my home in the 90s when I was growing up, because my mom had that kind of like, oh my gosh, Buster. This pillow kind of reminds me of the vibe that my mom had in the 90s when I was growing up, kind of this like forest green.
Yeah, forest green.
Which is beautiful. So I love this pillow. I'm excited. Oh, there's so much happening. There's Buster, there's Ava. Sorry guys. We're getting a new couch, which I'm so excited about. This couch has lived a really long, really, really good life. So we're getting a new couch. So this pillow will still go with the new couch. So stay tuned to see what we got. But this Get Cozy pillow is like gonna be a great accent pillow. And I got this from Michael's. And this was $36. However, Michael's was having a deal. I think everything was 50% off. So I had a coupon. If you know, you sign up for emails, you get great coupons from Michael's. This was a great deal. Buster and Ava. Sticking with this fall theme, I got this really cool gilded maple mantle scarf. Now that's a mouthful. Gilded maple mantle scarf. And it is so cute. If you guys can see, it says grateful here. It has like the black and white gingham check, and then the little pumpkin and all the letters in this neutral, what would you call this, kind of canvas material. I thought this was really cute, and I could put this on my mantle. And this was from Winners. This was $24.99, but again, this is something that I know that I'll use year after year, so I didn't mind picking that up. Okay, next up is this. I'm not usually one to buy stuff like this, but I kind of like this. It's not corn husk, I don't know, grass feel. I thought this would look good. I like the vase that it came in. It's kind of like this crackly, kind of neutral texture to it. This was Michael's, and this was $15.99. So I think this will just really add some like fall cozy vibes, especially when I'm decorating around. Okay, pumpkins. Oh, look at this bad boy. I love this pumpkin. I love the bow. And then it's all carved out of wood. It is so pretty. Michael's, and this was $29.99. So this was a little bit more expensive. It's really heavy. It's really well made. I love it. I have this wood kind of, I guess you would call it like a modern farmhouse theme in my house. I'm kind of in the middle of redecorating and updating my house, hence why we're getting a new couch. But I thought that this would be really, really cute for fall and Halloween. Okay, this is for Ava. So Christmas, Valentine's Day, I started to put up like a little garland in her bedroom, and I saw this. This is called Candy Corn Lane, a 6-foot garland, and I just loved the colors of it, and I thought it'd be really sweet with Minnie and Mickey in her room. So this was from Homesense, and I got this for $16.99. So again, something that I'm gonna put up year after year, at least for the next few years. Okay, this is just a little afterthought that I saw. I have like a window in my kitchen, and I like to put candles there or sometimes decorations, and I just thought for Thanksgiving and fall, this would be really sweet. Again, these go with my colors in my kitchen. So this was $7.99 from Homesense. Okay, speaking of candles and stuff, so I actually haven't been that into candles this year. I went to Bath & Body Works to check out their candles, and some of them I don't know, they just seem too sweet to me. So what I have been into this year are diffusers. I have been obsessed with diffusers and making my home smell like fresh and clean, not necessarily like sweet and pumpkin-y, just like really fresh and clean. So all of these diffusers, and I have quite a few like in every room, are actually from Homesense. This is a big boy, this one. And this one I think was $24.99, but it came in different sizes, and it ranges from like $7.99, $14.99. I've tried quite a few, but this brand, you guys, I'm telling you, this brand is awesome. And everybody who comes to my house have been saying, why is your house so nice? It smells so nice. And I'm so excited because I have a big dog. We have an old couch, and I'm always, you know that Febreze commercial when they say like you're nose blind? I'm always scared that I'm nose blind because of Buster Brown. And he spends so much time outside, but he comes inside. Sorry, Bus, don't take offense. And I want my house to smell nice, but these diffusers have been working well. So forgive me, I'm going to butcher how you say this. This is the brand Villa Hermanos. This is established 1884, and this smell is the bergamota and orange blossom. It says artisan made home fragrances, handmade in Spain. They are wonderful, and I've tried all the scents that they sell at Homesense in this brand, and everyone is awesome. Murik even likes it too. It's not too feminine or floral. It kind of has this perfect mix between masculine and feminine. Absolutely love this. Highly recommend. If you're gonna check out anything, well, maybe I even shouldn't tell you. I'm not telling you this because I don't want you to buy them all, but pick these up. Okay, next up for decorating, I have always wanted like mason jars on my table, and I've never found anything that I liked. So I actually kind of found this at Michael's. So it is actually a cutlery. It's a cutlery holder. There's these 3 spaces, and this was $24.99, but all of their, I can't remember exactly what I paid for this because all of their fall home decor is absolutely on sale. But then they had these little mason jars. They had an orange, this mustard yellow, this really light green. They also had a beige, so I picked these 3 colors. They had these and they were on sale, so I thought if I pop them all in to this, that would make a really cute little centerpiece. Then I went to their floral section and I picked up these little bunches of flowers, which I thought would be really cute. Obviously I'll take more time to pop in the mason jars and put those as a little centerpiece. So everything I know was on half price, and then the floral stems, it's always like buy one or buy 2, get 1 free. So I got these all from Michael's, and I thought that'd be great for my kitchen table just to add some nice fall cozy vibes. But then, I guess I did this backwards, underneath of that little centerpiece, I also got this table, underneath that centerpiece, I also got this table runner, and I love it. I love the colors. Again, it's in that canvas material, and it is an orange pumpkin and then a beige neutral and a white pumpkin. I absolutely love this. And again, it's from the same brand as my Mantle, the Gilded Maple. It's from the same brand as this Mantle runner, and this is from Gilded Maple. So this table runner is beautiful. This was $19.99, which I thought was a really, really good price. So I thought that with this would look really, really pretty on my kitchen table. All right, then, not that I needed any more, no, I don't need any more pumpkins. And I don't decorate with too many pumpkins here, but I thought that these 3 little pumpkins would be so cute over on my mantle here. They're all made of different fabrics. So this bottom one, you can see has like a tiny little sequin, and this middle one is just a nice beige, and then this top one is more of a brown. And there's a wooden top to it, and they're so cozy. This is $16.99, which I thought was a great price, and I just thought would just make everything so cozy in my living room, so loving that. All right, then I just picked up some tea towels. I'm a sucker for tea towels, especially holiday themed tea towels. This is the Martha Stewart brand, which is great. And these were $9.99. So they kind of go with everything in my kitchen that I'm doing, with the oranges and the greens, nice and neutral. And then these last 2 items are for Halloween specifically. So after Thanksgiving, so in Canada, our Thanksgiving is usually the second, I think it's like the 2nd week in October. I'm not sure the exact date. So we're earlier than you guys in the States. So we usually do Thanksgiving and then it's Halloween. So after Thanksgiving is when I introduce a few more pumpkins and a few more oranges, but I specifically got this for Ava. How cute is this? I thought that this would be so sweet to have at our front door when we're like handing out candy, even just a decoration. So this is metal. It is tin. This handle is really, really sturdy. It almost reminds me like of a witch's cauldron or something. So this was $16.99. Now they had different sizes. Ava obviously wanted the little one to go trick-or-treating with, but I don't want her walking around with a heavy metal tin to kill out candy. We'll get her something different. But I thought that this would be so cute and just add a little bit of fun, especially when Halloween is coming. And then sticking with the tea towels and Halloween, I got these cute little tea towels. It says Boo, and this is the Martha Stewart brand, and it was, again, $9.99. So that is my little fall decor haul. I'm gonna be decorating for fall come September, and I'm so excited to get some cozy vibes here. However, I am not excited for this change in weather. I still want the heat. I don't want to say goodbye to summer yet. I don't want to say goodbye to the sunshine. It's already starting to get darker here earlier. So I'm gonna try and salvage every moment of summer and squeeze the last bit of those summer moments out that I can. But these little decoration pieces definitely make me excited and make me happy for what's to come. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you are getting excited to decorate for fall or even Halloween, and let me know if you find that Mickey Mouse cookie jar. Please, if you're from Canada, let me know, because I want to get one for Ava so bad. So I don't think we have a TJ Maxx here, but if it is in Winners and Homesense, please let me know. Ava would go wild for it. All right, guys, so from Mickey and Minnie and me, I will see you in my next video. Bye.